Hey guys, what's up people? So my name's Aryan and today we're going to be doing the ultrasonic sensor, which is basically how it works. Is basically if you swipe it, the small LED will turn on. So what you need for this project is
an ultrasonic sensor, an LED, 4 jumper wires. Okay, so now let's get into the video. Guys, we are going to be doing the wiring for the ultrasonic sensor. So before that, I'm just going to show you a brief picture of it. So if you get confused, just ask us in our Discord server or ask us in the comment section down below. Now we are going to be doing the wiring. G and D pin goes to G and D on the Arduino. Then the echo pin goes to 3. Then the trick pin goes to 2. Okay. Then after that, the last pin, the VCC. The VCC goes to 5 volts on the Arduino. After that, again we have to connect the LED to 13 and GND. So put it right here. And now we are going to be explaining the code.
we're back in the code, and the first 3 lines is defining the trig pin and echo pin and the LED. So it's basically telling the code where the trig pin, the echo pin and the LED is. So once that's done, that's serial.begin. That is nothing but the serial monitor. It'll print some kind of output on the serial monitor. So then we're gonna set the LED as the output, since it's gonna glow as soon as we keep our hand, and then we're gonna put the trig pin 2 as output, which will send out the data. Then the echo pin will be its input, so which will give the data. Then we're gonna start the void loop, which is long duration and distance, and then we write the trig pin as high, and then we give some delay, and then we digital write the trig pin as back low. Then we define the distance, and then we print the distance in the serial monitor, which we have opened before at the void setup. So right now it won't come because we have not yet connected the board to my computer. Serial printing, and which will print centimeters next to the distance. Then we say if distance is less than 10, we say let's put 100, because right now we want 100 and it has a range for 200. And for that, if the distance is less than 100, the LED will go high, which will blink. If it's more than 100, it'll get low. Let's just change that to 100 and let's save it. And okay, wait guys, I forgot to even plug it in. So now let's plug it in. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna plug it in, and I'm gonna switch to my camera. Let's make my full screen camera. So 3, 2, 1, let's click on the upload button. It's uploading, compiling, it's uploaded. So
Now let's check if it works. So
there you go.
wait, what?
Oh, okay, so basically it has to be 13 and GND. There you go. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like it. Subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace.